Begun in 2015 and scheduled for completion in 2029 for the first phase, California High-Speed Rail project has exceeded its original budget. Of all the campaign promises of President Barack Obama, this is one of them. The fast train line will connect major cities in the U.S. Project CEO, Jeff Morales, said that although the project will cost more than budgeted, US $33 billion, the cost is experiencing a downward trend due to new technologies that emerge. For the initial phase of this pathway will connect Merce to Bakersfield. In the end, it will connect San Francisco and Los Angeles, with rails that can support speeds up to 354 km per hour. Built on land reclaimed from the sea off the coast of Seoul, South Korea, Songdo IBD is estimated to cost more than US $40 billion. It will be a smart city is different from before. Complete with Wi-Fi everywhere, automated recycling plants, and other technological innovations. Several replicas of landmarks from other cities will be built there, including the Central Park. This business center will have a small island full of rabbits, and deer are allowed to roam freely. Songdo IBD is being built to attract businesses and tourists, and will be located close to Incheon International Airport. This project was suspended in 2008 because of the financial crisis in Dubai, followed in 2013. So far, Dubailand has cost more than US $76 billion. If completed, it will be one of the biggest entertainment facilities and the most expensive in the world. Dubailand design aspects will be based on folklore Arabia, particularly the 1001 Nights. The main idea behind this project is Dubai took the main sites of interest, especially for families, in order to compete with other cities around the world of tourism. When finished, King Abdullah Economic City, AEC, would cost approximately US $86 billion. Can be taken more than an hour of Mecca. This artificial city will become a new tourist attraction for Saudi Arabia. On top of the city will set up several high-class hotels, luxury villas, several prestigious universities, and a large airport. CAC is constructed largely by the real estate group Amer Properties. They are known as the developer who built the world's tallest building, Burj Khalifa, in Dubai city center. Ericsson will work in terms of information and communication technologies for Athra, called for smart cities will be created in CAC. Located in the Caspian Sea, Kashagan oil field is one of the largest oil discoveries occurred in the last 40 years. A total of US $116 billion has been spent to develop this oil field drilling. The project is expected to produce more than 90,000 barrels of oil per day, beginning in 2017. The total amount of oil estimated at 13 billion barrels. Leaking pipes and other difficulties have caused delays in the construction of this project. One of the most complex problems is that the oil fields are under high pressure, which makes the drilling work to be very dangerous. The partners involved in the development of this drilling are Shell, ExxonMobil, Total, China National Petroleum Corp., Cosmonagas, Inpex and AGIP-KCO, with Shell is responsible for the production phase. Space research station known as the International Space Station, ISS, cost about US $150 billion to build. That figure may seem surprising, but keep in mind that this is a project mob because it involves the United States, Russia, Canada, Japan, Belgium, Denmark, France, Germany, Italy, Netherlands, Norway, Spain, Sweden, and Switzerland. Many are wondering about what will happen when the ISS to quit his job. The plan now is ISS will fall into the sea in 2020. It happened after the ISS to serve mankind for 26 years. Russian rocket and space shuttle is the primary tool used to make the ISS. Each module is built on Earth, they are then collected and put together in space. This station is not occupied by up to 2 years of construction. Only after the Russians' Zvezda module was added, astronauts and cosmonauts can stay inside the space station's research. Until 2015, the U.S. Highway System, or the U.S. Interstate Highway System (IHS), cost is estimated at $459 billion. Most responsible person for this prestigious project is President Dwight D. Eisenhower. Initially, the system is built to facilitate the mobilization of infantry when a state of emergency. The project started in 1956, which created new routes and changed the old order can be used to serve interstate transportation. The first state to complete all parts of the IHS connection is Nebraska, which they did in 1974. The final section, I-70 across Colorado, completed in 1992. Although it costs more than expected, and the process lasts for years, IHS has been beneficial to the U.S. and the economy. The shipping fee is estimated to be lower 17%, and during Hurricane Katrina, New Orleans imposed contraflow to speed up the evacuation.